Good old NAS100. So hit this 15.9 level, rejected, big bearish candle out of it. So not much you can do yet, but the other indexes are selling off soon, so I assume this one will as well, but there's no good signs of it yet. And there is an area here that it would have to break, and then if it breaks this, I mean, is fair assessment that it might go lower, but yeah, just gotta wait. Like, this thing is so overpriced, and there is previous all-time highs up here, but I'm gonna just have to let the month close and see what this decides to do. If it breaks this area, it might go a bit higher to these previous all-time highs. If it breaks this area, it might be doing a bigger retracement per se, because I mean, it hasn't retraced at all in forever, it seems, since mid-March. So it's way above this moving average, so there's a lot of room between price now and this moving average, about 3,000 points. So it might start filling up this gap a little bit. We'll see. Just have to